In a quiet forest filled with golden leaves and soft sunlight lived two little ants. Autumn had arrived, and with it came a silent message, a message only the wise could hear. The air was cooler, the days a little shorter. It was nature's hint: winter is coming. One of the ants, small but determined, knew what this meant. Day after day he carried food back to his nest. One grain of wheat today, a piece of fruit tomorrow. He worked with patience, knowing every small effort counted. But not far from him, another ant lived a very different life. He loved relaxing under the trees, listening to the birds, enjoying every moment. When he saw the hard-working ant carrying food, he chuckled. "Why work so hard?" he said. "Look around. The forest is a buffet. We have everything we need. Winter? Oh, that's just a story for the future." He laughed and continued to live for today, forgetting that time never stands still. But the hard-working ant knew something that his friend did not. He knew that today is a gift, and if you waste it, tomorrow might punish you. Even when he was tired, even when his tiny legs shook, he continued, one grain at a time, one step at a time. He wasn't just gathering food, he was building his future. The days passed, the leaves fell, the wind turned colder, and the first snowflake fell. Then another, and another. Winter had arrived, harsh, silent, unforgiving. The forest that once overflowed with food was now covered in a thick blanket of snow. The lazy ant looked everywhere. No crumbs, no fruits, no wheat, nothing. His laughter had disappeared, replaced by fear. He was cold, alone, hungry. Meanwhile, deep inside the earth, the hard-working ant rested peacefully in his small, warm home. He had food to eat, comfort to enjoy. No worries, no regrets. He didn't mock anyone. He didn't boast. He simply lived the result of his wise choices. That day, the forest had one truth to reveal. Those who respect time are rewarded. Those who ignore it must pay the price. Because in the end, time and tide wait for none. What you do today shapes the life you live tomorrow.